Hello everyone. Today we'll check out how we can reset Asus Zenfone 4 back to its factory settings. Uh, just is the case with any other Android smartphone. You need to check out the backup and reset settings of this device to factory reset it, and you can just reach the reset setting by navigating to setting. You can reach setting by just swiping from the top and click on the gear button here. I'll show you again. Here it is, this one on the first button which is there. Let's try to zoom a bit here. This one, just click on it, and the settings will open. Just navigate down here. Under the personal setting, you will see option of backup and reset. Just click on backup and reset. Here you will see under personal data option to factory data reset. You just need to click this option to factory reset this device and make it just like a new out of the box device. So just click on factory data reset. It will tell you that it will erase everything from the device, including your Google account data, system and app data and settings, and also downloaded apps. You can also select erase internal storage, or you can avoid doing that if you want to save some of your music or photos or some other documents which are stored. But the recommended option is to erase internal storage too. And then just after that, just click on reset phone again. Right, as you can see, it is asking for a confirmation code. Here you need to type that code. It is just a confirmation, so just type the code which is appearing here. Here in this case is 9509, right, and click on erase everything. As you can see, the device is shutting down, right, and rebooting up. So basically the factory reset process has started. You can see the Android robot and the message below it which says that it is erasing it. Usually this takes around 1 to 2 minutes on most of the Android device. We'll check out how much time it takes on this Asus Zenfone 4. As you can see, the process has finished and the device has rebooted again. So that's it. You have now resetted the Asus Zenfone back to its factory settings, and it is rebooting again. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.